Even if you have next to no gluten-free ingredients in the house, you can make these hearty, healthy, super tender oatmeal banana muffins. You can see that everything goes right into the blender. No fancy Vitamix needed. Blend it smooth, but don't work it too much, or the batter and then the muffins might be gummy. When you stop the blender, the batter should bubble like this. Let it sit for about 20 minutes before adding any mix-ins. It'll thicken on its own so the chips don't sink to the bottom and the muffins bake up really tall. Pour the batter into the wells like this. Top off with some extra chips. Shake to distribute. Tap, tap to break big bubbles and bake at 350. Don't let them cool too long in the tin or the outside can get a little chewy. Now enjoy some muffin ASMR. Comment recipe and I'll send it right to you.